Linking your bank account to Wise is a straightforward process that allows you to send and receive money internationally with ease. Follow these steps to set up your bank account with Wise. Step 1. Create a Wise account. Visit the Wise website or download the Wise app. Click on Sign Up and enter your email address and a secure password to create your account. Follow the prompts to verify your identity if required. Step 2. Navigate to the bank account section. Once logged in, go to the Balances or Accounts section of your Wise account. Look for an option that says Add a bank account or link a bank account. Step 3. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. This typically includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 4. Verify your bank account. Wise may require you to verify your bank account. This could involve sending a small test deposit to your bank account, which you will need to confirm in your Wise account. Follow the instructions provided to complete this verification step. Step 5. Complete the linking process. Once your bank account is verified, return to the Wise app or website. Confirm that your bank account is linked successfully. You should now be able to transfer funds to and from your Wise account using your bank account. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Wise and start managing your international transactions efficiently.